Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the download location in Opera GX. Let's get started. First you need to click on the gear icon which is called the settings. Click on that and after that scroll down and click on advanced and again scroll down all the way. Here you will find downloads. Yeah, here is the downloads and the current location is on the desktop. If you want to change it, you need to click on that and change the folder, the whichever you like to save all your downloads. So for example, I am clicking on this folder and select folder and here it is. So turn on this option, then Opera GX will ask every time before downloading anything. So I hope now you understand how it works and how you can change the download location in Opera GX. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.